Hey guys, welcome back to LeDormChef.com. Today we're going to be making another of our feature recipes by our design editor Lisa. It's a peanut butter and banana smoothie, and these are ingredients that we just got from the cafeteria, so it's super easy, super cheap. Hope you enjoy.
Ice goes in first.
Next, the bananas. Then you add the milk.
And now, peanut butter.
Pretty good. Alright guys, remember you can find all of our feature recipes under the recipe tab of LeDormChef.com. Thanks for watching and have a delicious day.